Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you and I'm going to talk about if your keyboard shortcut is not working, how you can solve this. So first, if your keyboard shortcut is not working, you need to restart your PC. So after restart, if this issue is not solved, then check your keyboard itself. Make sure the keyboard is properly connected. If it's a USB keyboard, try unplug and plugging it back in or use a different USB port. For wireless keyboard, check the battery level and ensure it's connected to your computer. Is your keyboard locked? Some keyboards have a dedicated key or a command like Fn plus F6 that locks them. Test the individual key. If only some keys are not working, it could be hardware problem. You can use an online keyboard tester to see if which key is registering. Software and system issues. Check accessibility settings. Some accessibility feature like sticky keys or filter keys can interfere with standard shortcut. On Windows, go to setting, accessibility, keyboard. Make sure sticky key and filter key are turned off. On Mac OS, go to System Setting, Accessibility Keyboard, check the slow keys and sticky keys setting. Application specific problem. Does the problem only happen in one program? The application might have different shortcuts mapping or a conflicting setting. Try the shortcuts in a different program, like Notepad or a web browser. Update keyboard drivers. Outdated drivers can cause issues. On Windows, open a device manager. Find keyboard, right click and select update driver. On macOS, driver updates are generally handled through macOS software updates. Background programs. Some applications, particularly gaming software or utilities, can take over remap global shortcuts. Check any running background software to see. Some applications, particularly gaming software or utilities, can take over map or remap global shortcuts. Check any running background program to see if they are the cause. In rare case, malware can interfere with your system keyboard functionality. Run as a full scan using your antivirus software. Advanced solution. Keyboard layout language. An incorrect keyboard layout can make some shortcuts, particularly those involving punctuation, not work as expected. Ensure your language and layout settings are correct. System restore. If problem start recently, a system restore can revert your computer setting back to a time when the shortcuts were working. Advanced solution. Keyboard layout language and incorrect keyboard layout can make some shortcuts, particularly those involving punctuation, not work as expected. Ensure your language and layout settings are correct. System restore. If problem started recently, system restore can revert your computer setting back to a time when the shortcuts were working. Clean boot. A clean boot can help identify if a background program is causing the conflict by starting Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.